Hey, it's Todd Ault. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Thank you for joining us. Today's word is S-3 or Form S-3. Similar to S-1, where companies are going public, an S-3 is used to register resale securities. Now, I'm going to take my time with this definition because S-3s are used all the time for registering stock of already existing public companies. Let's say you are a publicly traded company and you want to raise money. You can go raise money from private institutional investors and high net worth investors, and you can agree to file an S-3 to register their shares within a certain period of time. This is designed to register new shares that were bought by an investor under what they call a resale agreement or registration rights agreement. Now, one important fact to be known is that you have to be eligible to be S-3 eligible. It means you have to be publicly traded for at least a year and have filed all your 10Ks and 10Qs on time within the grace period to be eligible to use an S-3. Now, when you're a public company, you can file S-3s for other things too. You can register your preferred stock. It's an important registration statement to register securities that have already been issued, or what they call resale registration. S-3 is the word, or better known as Form S-3. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.